the light rise up in God. A world of perfect quietness is there all around. We just have to see and get to heart. Got a soul and body, join the whole and leave the part. I pray for Jah, I live for Jah. Whether I know or whether I'm dying, I sing for Jah, I sing for Jah. We'd better follow what us has always been saying. Now, Celestial Jerusalem, Celestial Jerusalem, Celestial Jerusalem. No one can separate us in our Celestial Jerusalem. So long we've been waiting for it, but eternal is the place where we've always lived, a land of spirit among secrets. We've all been searching, but that's where we are set. Since the beginning, eternal beginning, since the beginning, creation, Lord, Celestial Jerusalem. No more Matthias juggling, Celestial Jerusalem, Celestial Jerusalem. We've made our choice to choose Celestial Jerusalem. And all that we've tried, and all that we suffered, and all that held us in such disappointment will fade away as our tears be dried. And we'll be spirits, pure substance of loving Celestial Jerusalem. Oh, that way. Jerusalem, creation, Celestial, Celestial Jerusalem, oh, Celestial Jerusalem, creation, Celestial Jerusalem. Just have to see